Welcome to our channel Bright Maths. Let us learn the cone problems in applications of derivatives. First problem: a conical water tank with vertex down of 12 meters height has a radius of 5 meters at the top. It is a cone shape, so let R and H be the radius and height of the cone. So given is a conical water tank. Let us draw a rough diagram. So this is a cone shape. Given it is 12 meters height. So the height of the cone is 12 and radius is 5 meters. So the radius is 5. If water flows into the tank at a rate 10 cubic meter per minute. So if the water flows into the tank fills the water like this and the rate is 10 cubic meter per minute. So that is the volume. We have to find how fast is the depth of the water increases when the water is 8 meters deep. Here deep means height. So when the water height is 8, we have to find how fast it is increasing. See the word depth of the water increases. So depth means height. So we have to find dH by dt. Now let us take and write the given dV by dt, that is the volume change is given as 10 cubic meter per minute. And when the height h equal to 8 meters, so take h equal to 8. And from the diagram, we can take R by h equal to 5 by 12. R radius is 5, height h equal to 12. So for this full cone shape, R by h is 5 by 12. And this h cross multiply right side, we get R equal to 5h divided by 12. Now we have to write the volume of cone formula. The volume of cone is V equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h. We have to differentiate this and then substitute the given values and find dH by dt. But here on the right side, we have two variables, R and H. So we have to convert into a single variable. After that, we can differentiate easily. So for that, we have this R value, that is R equal to 5h by 12. Substitute here. So V equal to 1 by 3 pi into R square. R is 5h by 12 whole square into h. This is equal to 5 square 25 pi divided by number 3 into denominator number 12 square is 144 into h cube. Here we have h square into h, that is h cube. Now differentiating this, dV by dt equal to, this constant is same, we have to differentiate h cube, that is 3h square into h differentiation dH by dt. We are differentiating with respect to t. So we have to write into dH by dt. Next step, substitute all the given values. Left side dV by dt value is 10 equal to, right side this constant is same, into 3h square, 3 into h value 8, h square means 8 into 8 into dH by dt. Now simplify and get the answer for dH by dt. Let us cancel the numbers and simplify. First we can cancel 3 and 3. Next cancel this 8 and 144. In 14 one time, balance 6 64. 8 8s are 64. So this is 18. Next cancel this 8 and 18. Cancel by 2. So this is 4 times and 18 is 9 times. Next we can cancel this left side number and right side number. Left side we have 10. So right side we have 4. Cancel by 2. So left side 5 times. This right side 2 times. Next we can cancel this 5 and 25. So cancel by 5. 25 is 5 times. Now just cross multiply and write the answer. So this 9 cross multiply another side. We get 9 divided by 5 into 2 10 pi cross multiply another side. So divided by 10 pi. Therefore dH by dt equal to 9 by 10 pi. So finally take and write the answer. The rate of change of depth of the water is 9 by 10 pi meter per minute. See the question and write the unit. So in the question the unit is meter per minute. So finally take and write the same unit. Next problem. Salt is poured from a conveyor belt at a rate of 30 cubic meter per minute, forming a conical pile with a circular base whose height and diameter of base are always equal. So this is also conical pile, that is cone shape. So let R and H be the radius and height of the cone. Salt is poured from a conveyor belt. So when the salt is poured, we get a cone shape like this. So this is a conical pile. Take the height H and radius R. Here given the rate is 30 cubic meter per minute. So dV by dt is given equal to 30. And also see the last line, 10 meter high. So the height H equal to 10. We have to find how fast is the height of the pile increasing. Height increasing is dH by dt. So we have to find dH by dt. And also the given condition is height and diameter are always equal. Diameter is 2r equal to height is h. So this implies r equal to h divided by 2. Now write the volume of cone formula. V equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h. Here r value is h by 2. So substitute here V equal to 1 by 3 pi into r value h by 2 whole square into h. Next step, write the constant separately, that is pi divided by 3 into 2 square 4. 3 into 4 12. So pi by 12 into h square into h, that is h cube. Next step, differentiate and substitute the given values. Differentiating this, dV by dt equal to pi by 12 into h cube, differentiation is 3h square into dH by dt. We are differentiating with respect to t. So into dH by dt. Now substitute all the values. Left side dV by dt is 30 equal to right side, this constant is same, pi by 12 into 3h square. H value is 10. So 10 into 10. into dH by dt. Now simplify and get the answer for dH by dt. We can cancel the number very easily. Left side 30 and right side 3 into 10, that is 30. Next we can cancel this 10 and 12. Cancel by 2. So if we cancel by 2, here 5 times and here 6 times. And just cross multiply and get the answer. So this 6 take another side, that is 6 divided by 5 pi cross multiply to the denominator. So divided by 5 pi. Therefore dH by dt equal to 6 divided by 5 pi. Finally take and write the answer. The rate of change of height of the pile is 6 by 5 pi meter per minute. So in the question the unit is meter per minute. So finally take and write the same unit. Thanks for watching.